Good afternoon. It's Monday, August 27th. My name is Mike Maroney, and I'm coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals Studio. Today we're going to talk about Fed Chairman Powell's speech on Friday, which many people felt was more dovish than expected, and how it potentially affects the US dollar, the stock market, and the precious metals market.
This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
If you look at the overall reaction to the speech, you would have found gold trading as low as 1188 intraday, and the stock market was down. And since the speech, we've seen gold rally all the way up to 1209 spot, and both the Dow and the S&P are making new highs, as many people looked at what Mr. Powell said, which basically stated that expect to see a rate increase in September at the 25th and 26th of September's meeting, and a lot will be determined based on how the economy reacts over the next 3 to 4 months as far as what happens in December. So obviously December is not a given. It looks like September 25th and 26th, we will see a 1/4 point, but could that be the end of the tightening cycle? And maybe, just maybe, based on his statement that if the Fed saw it was necessary to reverse course, he's well within his means to make that decision. So, with what we saw last week and the recent action that we've seen in the dollar and the precious metals markets, the question now is, has the metals market put in a bottom? Let's look at the price levels. Silver traded as low as $14.31. Today we're at $14.80. Key overhead resistance sits at the 20-day moving average, which is right around $15.09. And many people believe once we break above there, we could see a strong rally up into the mid-16s and potentially even the low 16s. Gold traded as low as $11.69, $11.70. It now is trading above 1200 and is also broken above the 20-day moving average. Now gold has resistance right around 1222 spot. And if we were to take out that number, there's a good chance that we could see 1250 and potentially even 1300 in the not so distant future. Now, when you look at everything that's happening and you think about the trade wars, you think about the debt situation that exists here in the United States, and you think about the possible uncertainty that exists as far as the November elections are concerned, doesn't it make sense to explore the diversification that precious metals can potentially provide for your portfolio? The only way you're going to find out is give us a call here at Monex so we can find if precious metals fit your individual needs. Thank you.